Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria AKC and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we'll be setting up our layout for the month of October and we'll be going over any changes that we plan on implementing this month. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I am back with my October layout. Now some of you may notice that it looks like I have a lot more bills, and guys, no, they are not new. As some of you may know, my bills are all on auto pay, so I don't worry about them. They just come out every month. And sometimes we kind of forget and just make sure we have the funds available. So what I did this month in preparation for 2026 is I actually sat down and wrote down all my bills that come out on a monthly basis. And I have listed them all. Some of them I've removed because I've gotten rid of them. So let's go over everything real quick. I'm going to zoom you guys in unless you guys can see it, and we'll figure that out when editing. All right, so on the first, we have our mortgage and American Home Shield. We have Google and PosiGen. That's my solar panels, and I believe that's storage. This Google here is for storage. That comes out on the 2nd. We've got our Xfinity Mobile, which is our cell phone, on the 6th. Our water, Netflix, PGW, that is our gas company. That comes out on the 7th. The 9th, we got our AAA insurance, and Vivint, that is our home security system. Pico is our electric. We have on the 15th, which is also our second pay, we have American Water Resources. That's just like a warranty. And we also have Allstate. Now, Allstate, I've been paying it every 6 months. So the first payment is actually not going to be on the 15th. The first payment is going to be on the 15th of November. I have been putting money aside for that. So hopefully I'll be able to pay it in full. As some of you may remember, for my last renewal, I was paying $302 or $301, something like that. Anyway, guys, it went down to $142. How good is God? I was like, yes. So I only pay, I believe it's $850, but if you pay it early, they reduce it like $75, $80 if you make one lump sum payment. So I'm going to make sure that I have at least $800 by November the 15th. And again, I've already been putting money aside for that. So hopefully I'll be able to pay it in full, and then I won't have to worry about it. We've got our internet coming out on the 17th and iCloud storage. Jaden's PlayStation comes out on the 20th. Bank of America, hopefully we will not see this here much longer. This is my credit card. HP Inc. comes out on the 27th. And we've got a Google charge for $3. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know. One of them is for storage and one of them is something else, but God only knows. Right now, I don't remember what it is. So we've got a few things going on. I didn't put these things in order because I was writing as I remembered. On the 10th and the 13th, that is a Friday and a Monday. The kids do not have school. We have a 4-day weekend coming up, so I cannot wait. The 2nd, I have a doctor's appointment. It's for my neurologist, so that's going on the 2nd. On the 20th is my daughter Bianca's birthday. The 19th is my niece's birthday. Now, we have a lot of other October birthdays. I just wasn't writing them all down. And, of course, Halloween. I'm not sure what we're doing this year. I usually take the kids trick-or-treating for a little bit, and then they usually have a friend stay the night. Aaliyah wanted to know if maybe, a couple of her friends could spend the night, and we can have like a little Halloween party. So I'm not sure what we're going to do this year or how things are going to be different. I do know that their grandfather has always bought them their Halloween costumes every year. These kids are messing around and haven't sent him the order of, the costume they want. They're so cute. They usually dress the same. I might insert some pictures. Every year they dress the same or similar, but I'm not sure what they're doing this year. So they need to get on the ball so Pop-Up can get them their costumes in time for Halloween. That is it, guys. We try to keep it positive. You know, God says you are, and He definitely does. God is writing my story. I truly believe that. Only He can control my every move, second to second, day to day. And I say me, but that's for all of us. This is a perfect time of year to go apple picking. Let's see, visit the pumpkin patch. I plan on doing that with the kids this year. The notes I put down here is God says you are strong, worthy, loved, and enough. And there are Bible verses here that you can read. You're going to have to zoom in real close to see them, but there are some Bible verses mentioned. And financial goals. Guys, we're going to keep it simple. Save more and spend less. That is an absolute goal for this coming month. We need to continue to save our money, you know, and I'm definitely working on that, guys. So we'll see. Hopefully October is a better month so far. September wasn't too bad. I did have some spend days, but nowhere near what I spent during July, August, and September. So I'm sorry, June, July, and August. September was much better. So we'll see what happens in October. Guys, do you guys have any special plans, any goals? The year is quickly approaching to an end. And, you know, it's time for us to start looking at our upcoming goals for next year. Let me know if you guys are doing anything different. I'm really looking into my bills, payoff balances. I'm trying to figure out which challenges, which binders I'm going to keep, which ones I'm going to get rid of. I'm trying to see if I'm going to focus on larger challenges or maybe continue to do smaller ones. Right now, I'm not sure because I'm working on it, guys, and that's why I started early. It gives me plenty of time to figure things out. Alrighty, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.